Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing an open cup, probably a galaxy pour is what it's going to turn out to be in the end. I'm just going to use a plastic cup that I've cut. It's just one of these cups. And the bottom section of it you can actually save to mix up some of your paint, so don't throw those away when you cut them up. So I'm going to put a couple of those down. I've got a very light black base down. And it is, I have this upside down because I want to use every drop of it. This is the Artist Flow acrylic. Excellent for doing these kind of open cup pours. And the paints I'm using, just a quick little rundown, Artezas. This one is the Premium 10 Iridescent Colors, and I'm using all colors out of this box. Quick mix up. Actually, this one I didn't mix so I could show you. The lighter color is Liquitex pouring medium in the glass, and the dark color down there is how much paint I put in that little bottle. Shake it up, and that's what we're doing for all of these amazing colors. Alright everybody, thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much you guys. All your wonderful comments, hitting that thumbs up for me. I really do appreciate it. Okay, hun, hit some music. Let's have some fun.
Side to side, high LA. She made you feel like you didn't need her. Now you're looking hot and so unbothered. Funny how even now she thinks you'll come back around. It's so delusional. Here we are in your car driving down the boulevard, and it's so beautiful. Hey, they call it chaos, me I call it love. It don't have to make sense, let them stare at us. If your love is poison, down the hatch, 'cause we're a match made in LA. 'Cause we're a match made in LA. 'Cause we're a match made in LA. She didn't see you when you were right there. Now she can see you with me everywhere. Hey, they call it chaos, me I call it love. It don't have to make sense, let them stare at us. If your love is poison, down the hatch, 'cause we're a match made in LA. Hey, they call it chaos, me I call it love. It don't have to make sense, let them stare at us. If your love is poison, down the hatch, 'cause we're a match made in LA.
Still wandering to a light unseen, never-ending distance with you and me. I'm on my knees, waiting for you, waiting for you. A far existence now here for me to close the gap in between. A whispering, I'm listening. I come for you. I've been waiting for you to come. I've been longing for you, I know. And I've been sailing forever. You've been on my mind. A feeling in the depths of me, where once found chaos, now settling. Creator mocking me, a slave set free, a seal to see, a seal to see. I've been waiting for you to come. I've been longing for you, I know. And I've been sailing forever. You've been on my mind. In the silence of your own set to never-ending love inside of you. Love poured out for my weakness, oh.